Installing Linux. What kind of Linux?
Opensuse.
Opensuse. For the first time with the help of Steve, my friend. So now we're gonna switch this on. And then this comes up because there's nothing on the hard drive. There was the CD. We don't go into BIOS then to start from CD. Oh look, it recognizes it. There you go. Starting from the DVD. Open source. Installation. So I just switch it on. It's about 70%. The loading Linux kernel. 96.99. When it comes up with this.
Lots of writing.
Writing, yeah. Developer or something.
UDEV is the device control.
Oh, device control, and it is okay. I'll pause and see what happened. I could see a bit of myself and Steve there, my friend.
So we want network adapt to PCI Express. So that should now give us a network connection. Right, because we've got a network, we can use the online repositories, which is i.e. the online storage of files.
Okay.
Right, this is what it says it's going to do with the partitions on there. Right, choose what to do with existing Windows system. Remove even if not needed. ext4. Propose separate home partitions.
What is that one? Yeah, ST2. Is that the operating system on this one?
What?
This big.
Yest2 is the setup software.
I see. I could watch it anyway.
Right, so we want Europe, United Kingdom. So that's it, London. Next to that, create a new user.
This is the stage at the moment, it's 25%. So I'm gonna push it and carry on the other time. I don't know whichever is good.
System. Have we got a wheel mouse here?
Sorry, I'm moving close because it's a very wide angle.
We need to then add the Pac-Man repository after we've done this.
Pac-Man?
Pac-Man, yeah.
Well, that's the game.
No, it's not the game. And it's going to install Melt, Freer, GStreamer, FFmpeg. That's going to install lots of extra things that it needs. And then accept.
So this is getting from the internet then.
So what this is going to do is this is going to switch some of the packages that come from Opensuse to packages supplied by the Pac-Man repository. Because some of the packages from Opensuse are crippled. They don't display the copyright patented MPEG-4 and MPEG-3. So we need the Pac-Man ones because they're non-crippled.
They're third party.
They come from Germany, I believe. Click on the start button. Shut down. Shut down. Okay.
Opensuse. And always nice, just leave that one.
I'll leave that one there because I can say show it next thingy, yes.
Doesn't take long to click out of it.
Right, so let's have a look at the file system.
File system there,
So we've got home is there. Home is your folder where all your files are.
Yeah.
If you click the up button,
Yeah.
You go to the level above, which is called Home,
Which is the users. Yeah.
which is where all the user folders would be.
Yeah.
And up above that is the root folder.
Root folder.
So most of these are things that are operating system based.
Okay. Which you don't make.
Now we are using. It looks like the whole disk for this, so everything's all on the disk as is.
Yeah. So if I want to make my own file, where shall I make it?
Well, you'd make everything in Home. You'd be in your Home
good
folder, and you'd create everything in here.
Okay. So how do you create a new folder on this one? Let's say Jack's data.
Yeah, but this is all your data. So your documents might be in here.
Yeah.
When you download things, they go in here.
Yeah.
Your pictures you'd put in here. Your videos you'd put in here.
Okay. Yeah. But if I need to create, let's say, my holiday, so that it's separate from those things.
Okay.
You just right click.
Create new.
Oh, it's the
folder.
same thing. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And then if you delete it as well, you just right click and
So you click on that, create a new folder.
then
Then you can say move to waste bin.
waste bin.
And
Okay.
you've got the waste
it's
bin now
this-
looks full.
So it's the same as Windows, basically.
And then you can.
Empty.
Is there a waste bin there? Empty waste bin. Done.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, got that. Yeah.
Has Caden Live shown up on the menu?
So it seems to be running all right, even though it's an i3 then.
Oh yeah, it will do. Well, Linux is not as awful as Windows. Windows seems to get slower. The longer you run Windows, it seems to automatically slow everything down
Because it loads so many things in the background, I think, Windows.
it does. Well, you see, the thing is, Windows starts lots of
Memory
things
hungry,
that you don't want.
Yeah.
It installs loads of things you don't want, things you don't use.